Here in the jungles of Margam Park, we have found a lion crawling through the undergrowth. Right, that's enough, Lionel. What are we doing here? Stalking. Stalking? Yeah. I'm not sure I'm allowed to stalk. You're probably okay to stalk, but I shouldn't really be stalking. You're okay stalking, aren't you? Yeah, I love stalking. You love stalking? Yeah. What do you stalk? Other animals. Oh, right, okay. And I suppose that's your food, is it? Yeah. Well, everyone's got to eat, I suppose. Well, I'm going to get out of the undergrowth now, because what I really want to tell people about in Neath Port Talbot is about books, and not about stalking. It's about reading. Oh, okay. So is it okay if we climb out of here now? Yeah. Okay. You've done enough stalking? Yeah. Love a bit of stalking. Okay. Right, come on. Let's get out of here. Good day, everyone. I'm out here looking for king cobras and pythons and all sorts of snakes and wildlife in the great wide world. No, I'm not. It's just me, actually. And I'm out here with Lionel. Now, he's gone. I don't know whether you've probably seen him. He's off stalking things. I don't know where he's gone now. He said, I'm going off to hide. He can stay still in a bush for hours and you wouldn't even notice he's there. So I don't know where he is. He's probably stalking something big that he can have for dinner, I suppose. Me, I'm here to talk about the Summer Reading Challenge, the wild world theme of the Summer Reading Challenge. How are you getting on with the Summer Reading Challenge? Keep going. We're in the middle. We've done the beginning. We haven't got to the end. We've still got time to read more books. So how are you getting on with it? Are you reading lots of books? I hope so, because healthy readers, we know readers are everything. Now, where have you been in the wild world? Have you been doing little sort of bug quests, looking at bugs and doing some science and exploring your natural world? Have you been to the beach? Where have you been? Because I don't think many people are going abroad, but we don't need to go abroad when the weather's lovely, do we? I don't know when you're watching this what the weather will be like. But anyway, I just wanted to say, because I'm going to go and look for Lionel, I've got to find him. I just want to say, enjoy doing the Summer Reading Challenge. Have fun reading books. It's just such a wonderful thing to do. I'm off to find Lionel and I'm going to read him a story about lions, I think. I'll read him something about lions. I'll see you later. Ta-da. Well, I found him and we're just about to leave Margam Park, aren't we? Yeah. He's never told me exactly where you were, have you? No. What were you actually doing? Stalking. Stalking? Well, what were you stalking? You. Me? You were stalking me? Yeah. Well, I never saw you. You were staying very still, weren't you? Yeah. You were stalking me? Yeah. I never know where he is. Right. Well, we've read a story in the park called The Unhappy Lion. Now we're going to go to the library and we're going to get some more books for our Summer Reading Challenge, aren't we? Yeah, because Lionel loves books, just like Mischief. He likes me reading them to him, don't you? Yeah. So we're going to get some books. We're going to get some books about facts about lion. We're going to look about lions' behaviour and stalking, aren't we? Yeah. Because I want to know a little bit more about that in the lion sense, okay? So we're going to have a look at that, and then we're going to read some lion stories, and we're going to continue with our Summer Reading Challenge, are we not? Yeah. Are you going to say goodbye? No. Not going to say goodbye to the good people of Neath Port Talbot? No. Well, sorry about that. He's a lion, right? So we're going to get back with the Summer Reading Challenge. We'll see you again. We had a lovely time here in the park. Hope you're having a lovely time getting here, there and everywhere. We'll see you later. Ta-da!